Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to cancel your Apple Music subscription directly from your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. Next, you'll see a bunch of options. Tap on Subscriptions. Give it a few seconds to load, and you'll see a list of all your subscriptions. At the top, you'll find your active subscriptions, the ones you're currently paying for. Below that, you'll see any inactive subscriptions that have already expired. Now, find the Apple Music subscription in your active list and tap on it. This will bring up all the details about your Apple Music subscription. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that says, Cancel Subscription. Tap on that. Apple will then give you some important information about the cancellation, like when your subscription will officially end. Be sure to read through this carefully so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready, simply tap Confirm. After a brief moment, you'll see confirmation that your subscription has been successfully canceled and will no longer be renewed. And that's it. You can now go back to using your iPhone as you normally would. Hope this helped. Remember, this is based on our personal experience, so yours might be slightly different. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. You can find some useful links in the description. Thanks for watching.